Michelle, a new warning this morning about whooping cough cases, which are now on the rise, right as kids get ready to head back to school. This is technically called Pertussis, and it's a bacterial infection causing severe coughing. More than 6 times as many whooping cough cases were reported last year compared to 2023, and that's according to the CDC.
How contagious is whooping cough and how dangerous is it?
So first of all, it's quite contagious in very young children. As many as 2/3 will have periods where they stop breathing. About 20% of children who are young will get pneumonia.
New data from the CDC shows a record number of children did not receive their recommended vaccinations last school year.